Hey everybody, it's Charlie's Trains. We got the Wabash still going around, pulling beer cars. We have the Miller box car, Budweiser gondola car with containers filled with Budweiser beer, ham, pass-through ribbon, all pulling beer products. Everything's looking good. Over here we have the trolley car going back and forth from a town from 1950. Everything's looking good. And if you would, please subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains. It's 9169. I appreciate it. And I hope everybody has a great day. And thank you for watching.